Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to Trading Talk episode 272. In this episode, senior trader Matt looks at mean reversion techniques within trending markets. If you think the mean reversion techniques are only used in ranging markets, then Matt is here to show you otherwise by testing the strategy over 12 years of data. Speaking of results, those who attended our 6th annual Algo conference on Saturday saw some amazing strategies from 3 of the world's best traders. Thanks to everyone who attended. It was a great day and we've got almost 50 people booked in for next year already. It's going to be huge. Of course, thanks to Johan, Nick and Christina for delivering some fantastic models and presentations. We always have great feedback from the clients and speakers, but we really appreciate some feedback from Johan, who said it was a lot of fun and the best prepared Algo conference he's spoken at so far. Now, with almost 50 tickets sold to the 2023 conference and limited tickets available, make sure you book yourself in now so that we can see you here next year. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.